Good morning, guys. Today I'm back with a new video related to the stock market. So, without any further ado, let's begin. And today's topic of discussion is mainly about the Reliance future retail. So, let's go to the future and let's click on Reliance price. Here we can observe that there was a decrease of 2% in its share price today. There was a sudden decrease, and then later in the later part of the day, the share price consolidated. And then when we compare it with the future retail share price, future retail share price, there was this stock majorly hit a lower circuit because this stock is currently in a verge of extinction. I mean, it is battling to survive in the market, and if this Reliance future deal happened properly, then it could have survived right now, but it doesn't seem that this deal is happening. And let us go to the article over here. Yeah, Reliance Retail. What happened was Supreme Court gave a verdict in favor of Amazon, but this verdict came quite surprising because earlier SEBI and Competition Commissions of India (CCI) both had given approval for the Reliance future retail deal, but now it seems that the tables have turned around and the verdict has been given in favor of the Amazon, and the Supreme Court has upholded the Singapore Arbitrage Court's deal, and it has set them to continue their deal. So continue their investigation in the Singapore Arbitrage Court. This is a primary win. So let's wait and watch what's happening in the future. But if the rules, I mean, if the court verdict gets delayed and delayed in the Singapore Arbitration Court, then it is going to be a matter of concern for the existence of future retail, because future retail was supposed to stand on its feet after paying off the debt of the company, and the debt was being supposed to pay by the Reliance. That is what I was trying to say. But now it seems that this deal is not happening because of the deal. That is because Amazon had earlier invested some amount in the future coupons, which is supposed to be a subsidiary of the company. But now it seems that the verdict is in favor of this, and Reliance Retail is one of the largest organized retail space in India. It has thousands of stores in the name of Reliance Trends, Reliance Digital, Reliance Fresh, etc., and Reliance Mart. So for Reliance, it will obviously hinder their growth. Whatever the target they might have kept it for 2025 or 2023, they might not be able to complete it. They might take a little time. But Reliance Retail is only just a part of Reliance. Reliance has other business also. Reliance majorly, even now, its major revenue comes from oil to chemical business, and then another growing sector, we can say Jio as a startup. Right now, Jio has acquired a good number of customers in the mobile market, but now they are trying to expand rapidly in the fiber market as well, and they are laying the fiber network all across India. And even I am hoping to get a Jio fiber network by the end of next month, and if they are successful, then they can dominate the entire, data market in India. And the next is obviously they are going to invest approximately $10 billion into the green space, where they're going to manufacture the solar panels, which is a booming sector. And right now in India, only Adani is focusing on manufacturing the solar panels. So it will be a fierce battle between these two major companies in India. Let's wait and watch what happens. And obviously for Reliance Retail, it will hinder the growth, but it will not directly close the company. But for future retail, it is there for the existence. I mean, if this bad deal had happened smoothly, then it would have had led to the existence. Right now, future retail is very hard, means playing very hard or struggling to pay off its debt. So let's wait and watch. We can compare this future retail similar to Vodafone, because both of them are heavily debt ridden, and now the conditions are worsening for both of them because the debt is increasing. They are not able to repay the debt, and here they are losing the market, and so the revenue will decrease and they'll not be able to repay the debt. So this is all I wanted to say. And if you are invested in Reliance, then I'll say you to continue to be invested in Reliance, because for Reliance this consolidation We all know that there's a consolidation in the Reliance stock from the past 1 year, right? If I go to this 1 year chart pattern, it has not given any reverse return, minus 2% return. But this consolidation pattern is not new for Reliance. Earlier, Reliance was consolidating, or it had given no returns for almost 10 years. Almost 10 years, it had given no return. So, even if it is consolidating, it doesn't mean the stock is bad. It is going to have a bright future. Just right now, it is struggling right now. So, we might have to wait for another 1 or 2 years until this boosts up, because after consolidating for 10 years, it gave a wonderful return of 300%, and total, if we consider, it is 200% return. So that was all which I was trying to say here right now. I take a leave. Adieu, guys. Bye.